This is a follow-up tutorial on how to fix the invisible flame issue, while saving the render image file. Let's quickly create a flaming sphere scene. Please refer to the tutorial posted yesterday for a detailed guide on how to create fire in Blender. The scene is now ready to render. It took less than a minute to set up this scene. Let's see how it would look like after saving. This is an odd issue, because we could see the flame while rendering, but the flame won't show up after saving the image file. I have found why the flame was not saving, and I'll show you how the solution was found. The first thing I've tried was adding a sphere and scaling it, in order to completely block the HDRI background light. This was a solution from yesterday, but that didn't work. The second thing I tried was setting the HDRI strength to 0. That didn't work either. The third thing I tried was changing the node values to see if that would help. That didn't work either. Then I thought maybe it's the composite settings, so I disabled Use Nodes under compositing. That didn't work either. Could it be the transparent setting? I thought this could not be it, because our scene already had a sphere blocking the background. That was it. I had to create a new scene and test to see if that was all we needed to do in order to prevent the disappearing flame issue. I added a sphere to hide the HDRI background. This scene will take more than 15 hours to render. I had to quickly lower my render sample setting to 32 to see if that would speed up the render time. That worked perfectly. To fix the invisible flame issue, please disable transparency and add a sphere to block the HDRI. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.